Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where extraordinary homes meet unforgettable lifestyles. Today, we're taking you inside a breathtaking industrial ranch-style estate that redefines modern luxury living in California. Set in a peaceful valley setting, this single-level masterpiece is designed for comfort, elegance, and effortless indoor-outdoor flow. From the moment you arrive, the home makes a bold first impression. The exterior features a stunning blend of black and cream tones, clean architectural lines, and expansive glass that immediately sets a luxurious mood. As we approach from a drone day view, you can see how perfectly this estate sits within its surroundings, private, grand, and thoughtfully designed. Let's step through the main entrance. A wide, welcoming entry leads into a beautifully balanced interior where high ceilings and natural light create an open, airy atmosphere. Every detail here feels intentional, from the textures to the symmetry. This home doesn't just look luxurious, it feels luxurious. Moving into the main living area, we find a spacious TV lounge designed for both relaxation and entertaining. Large sliding glass doors blur the line between inside and outside, allowing sunlight to pour in throughout the day. The black and cream color palette continues here, creating a calm yet sophisticated vibe that's perfect for modern living. Just beyond the living room is the heart of the home, the kitchen. This is a true showstopper. A massive stone island takes center stage, paired with sleek cabinetry and premium finishes. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or enjoying a quiet morning coffee, this kitchen is designed to impress while remaining incredibly functional. Connected seamlessly to the kitchen is the dining area, where a stylish dining table sits beneath elegant lighting. This space is perfect for family meals or entertaining guests, offering a warm and welcoming environment with a luxury touch. One of the highlights of this home is the seamless indoor-outdoor living experience. Step outside, and you're greeted by a resort-style backyard that feels like a private retreat. The swimming pool is beautifully designed, surrounded by clean landscaping and open lounging areas, ideal for sunny California days. For wellness and activity lovers, this estate truly delivers. There's a private gym space designed to keep you active without ever leaving home. Nearby, you'll find additional outdoor features that elevate the lifestyle experience, offering both relaxation and recreation in one cohesive design. Back inside, the bedrooms are equally impressive. Each bedroom is thoughtfully designed with comfort and privacy in mind. Soft lighting, elegant finishes, and large windows create peaceful personal spaces that feel more like luxury hotel suites than traditional bedrooms. The bathrooms continue the spa-like experience. Featuring high-end materials, modern fixtures, and a soothing color palette, these spaces are designed to help you unwind and recharge. From the clean lines to the premium textures, every bathroom reflects refined luxury. The primary suite is truly special. Spacious, serene, and beautifully styled, it offers the perfect escape at the end of the day. Large windows bring in natural light, while the overall design promotes relaxation and comfort. The attached bathroom feels like a private spa, completing the ultimate luxury retreat. This home also includes practical yet stylish spaces such as a well-designed garage and additional utility areas that blend functionality with aesthetics. Everything here has been carefully planned to support modern living without compromising on design. What truly sets this estate apart is how effortlessly it combines luxury, comfort, and lifestyle. It's not just a house, it's a place designed to elevate everyday living. Thank you for touring this incredible property with American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this luxury home tour, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves beautiful homes as much as you do. We'll see you in the next episode, where we continue exploring the most stunning dream homes across America.